Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining why we choose to use cryptocurrency exchanges. Now for those who just use exchanges, I don't know why we recommend or why you use these cryptocurrency exchanges. I think this is the best video you have to sit down and watch. Now for those who haven't subscribed, please that subscribe button and please do like this video because we'd like our video to be appreciated by so many people. So like this video and also comment down the description, plus registering or opening up an account with our recommended crypto broker, which is Binance Limited. Now for the brief introduction, without wasting time, let me start with our topic of today, why we chose to use cryptocurrency exchanges. The first number one point, exchanges help us to trade different types of coins. Now you'll find an exchange has, now like Binance exchange has over 400 cryptocurrencies you can change or you can trade and interchange with other traders. Now you'll find according to CoinMarketCap, you'll find we have over like 20 cryptocurrencies in the whole world. But if Binance can offer you over 400 cryptocurrencies, that means a quarter of the cryptocurrencies which are public or listed on CoinMarketCap, they are traded on Binance. So if you're a trader and you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies, mostly invest in cryptocurrencies mainly listed on Binance. Why? Binance, first, it takes time to make research on a certain project before listing it on their exchange. Binance is highly trusted by people, over 90 million people worldwide. Binance has the trading volume of $76 billion per day, which is invested in all cryptocurrencies being traded on that exchange. So you have to look at those factors which are major for you to start using an exchanger. So the reason as to why we use exchangers, you get time or you are free to trade different cryptocurrencies. You get. The second point is amount of money traded in the market. Like I've told you, when you focus on the coin market cap or the overall market cap of the cryptocurrency industry, it is over 1 trillion. But at the moment you will find only in Binance there is an amount of $76 billion invested in Binance crypto exchange. So that is a lot of money. So the amount of money traded in the market also differs if you are to use an exchanger. That's why when you go to decentralized exchanges and you find you can also use a wallet to swipe a currency, you swipe the currency from the decentralized exchange and then you swipe it on a physical wallet. But you'll find sometimes there's no liquidity for you to process your transaction. So that means you have to use cryptocurrency exchanges because there's a lot of liquidity in the market. So we choose to use exchanges. The second point is because of the money traded or the liquidity and the volatility which we find in the cryptocurrency exchanges. The third point is exchanges tend to have high levels of security to keep your assets. Now like Binance, if you are to logging in your account, even if it is yours, you'll have 3 authentications which you have to approve for you to log into your exchanger. So this gives us proof that my assets or my coins are in a safe place. Why? If somebody doesn't have my line, my SIM card line or Google Authenticator app, those codes which we use for security purpose, plus the Gmail, there is no way someone can access my account. But for the wallet, you find some wallets just have your Gmail username or password. So if someone gets your email account plus your password, that means is free to hack into your account and withdraw all your money. But for the cryptocurrency exchanges, even if somebody hacks into your account, they'll first ask is it you attending to sign in your account or it isn't you? So if it's not you who is accessing your account, that means you will go by your laptop to the email account and you disable that activity. So that means your assets will remain closed in your exchanges, all the windows will be disabled, so your assets will be not being taken or hacked by other people. So that's why we also highly recommend you to use exchanges, because of the high levels of security. The fourth point is exchanges provide daily news and announcements to their clients. When you look at Binance, there is a top section. When you click on markets and you scroll down, there is what we call announcements or daily updates. Now if Binance is to list a different currency or some cryptocurrency, that means you will find that specific cryptocurrency notes or notifications or announcements, their app, and there is a section of announcements. So it's up to you to read the announcements and be updated. Either they are going to delist some cryptocurrency, they announce, or there is some launch, but so they provide different updates on their website. So that also help us, because these markets work on technical and fundamental news. So it's up to you for a trader to keep on being updated. Another thing is exchanges are easy to use. Now exchanges, they are also easy to use if you have the knowledge. So that's why we came up with an idea of creating this YouTube channel to teach people about how to use exchanges or how cryptocurrencies work. So also exchanges, they are easy to use if they have the knowledge. So another last point, exchanges provide to their users different languages to use. This is also, I am seeing some wallets, they are also programming this feature of putting different languages in the application. So for the exchanger, it determines which country you're from. So you find that country, if you are coming from Uganda, that means you'll have English or any other language you could use for you to access the exchanger or interpret what's going on the exchanger. For those from USA, London, Russia, they have over like 200 different languages you can use to access or use this cryptocurrency exchanger. So that's all we had for you today guys. For those who have watched the video, I think you have learned a lot. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, plus commenting down the description to see that this video is really appreciated by so many things. Do not also forget to hit the link in the description and sign up with our crypto broker, which is Binance.